Okay guys, maybe you can hear the rain. Um, you can hear the rain and the lightning, but we're in the attic now. And so there's where we were before. And that's our leak over there. And see if you can zoom in. When it was raining like this before, we could distinctly see drips of water over there. And let's see if I can get over one more vent. You see that down there? Now before, we were definitely able to see water leaking. And you're seeing drips. We have no drips. So that's where our leak was, guys. Sorry, it's just dark in here. So we're just looking. We got no leaks. So there you go. Now, like I said, when it's a flat part of your roof, pretty easy to fix. But if you're at an edge, the only thing I can say is take video, take a lot of pictures, how you're pulling up each and every shingle. And when it's time to put everything back together again, put it back together just like they did it. Or you can go online to figure out the proper way to do it. But if you're on a flat edge, really simple to fix your leaks, guys. So there we go. Just did a verification. We got no leaks, no visible leaks coming. So that's good. And while we're up here, guys, as I'm walking back, I'm just going to be checking to make sure that I don't see any other leaks. This is a good time to check your roof for leaks, is when it's actually raining. Sometimes you can catch a leak before the water actually gets down into your ceiling and causes damage. I'm not sure, maybe you can, I don't know, twice a year during a nice rainstorm, come up in your roof. Just make sure people know you're up there, wear the proper protection, get a mask and some gloves. But that's the fix right there. So I'm heading back. Let me get back over there. I'm about to turn off the camera, put this phone in my pocket, and head back.